Hi everyone, here I am and I get to do another one of these subscription box videos. These are always the most fun to make because I'm so excited to show you what we've got inside. This is probably one of the cooler boxes, even though I say that every time. I'm really excited about this one. Let's take a peek. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna notice when you get this box is that it's a little bit smaller than the other boxes, but I believe there's more items in this one than we have ever had before. Our welcome note to you is actually one that you are able to hang on your wall or in your office as kind of a little affirmation that you can look at. And plus I really like this ampersand stamp. You can take that off and even maybe use that in your notebook. Then we have the pin holder. And these are really great for holding Calliograph pins or any other pins you have. There's actually two sections, so whenever we all get to travel again, you can take your pins with you and keep them really organized. Something I love is this weekly calendar sticker roll. This is so cute and there's so many. You'll probably just never run out. There's a room for notes, there's calendars, and they're just different colors. So it's gonna be all the colors in the subscription box, and you'll have a section for notes, calendars. You can make that into a tracker if you want to. And there's quite a bit on there, so you should have enough for about 18 years. So let's get into the notebooks, because this box has 3. And I was really excited about these because it's something that I've always wanted, and we've heard a lot of people request these. And these are the smaller size notebooks. And so we'll open it one by one. The good thing about having 3 is that we've got one that's going to be the Blackout book. These are really simple, and you can take it with you and throw it in your bag if you need something small to jot down notes, or if you want to do pen tests. I'm always needing little notebooks that I can kind of keep in my pocket. So we have the Blackout. We have a Kraft paper notebook, and this is actually, well, they're both actually new cloth covers, and they're all dot grid. And then we have the regular white paper dot grid notebook. And this one's really useful for things, like I said, just writing down notes, taking it as a sketchbook to go with you. I have gone through so many of these small books in my lifetime. And it's also a great way to sample the different paper types if you aren't sure which color you prefer. This is my favorite item, so I'm going to save it till the end. But there's even more in here, so it doesn't end here. We have these really, really cute envelopes, and they're great for storing stuff at the back of your notebook. If you want to, you can, it has a double-sided tape, so you can tape them in there, or you can just use them, every day and keep other stuff in there. And the rose gold foil on these is absolutely stunning. We also have a sticker book. Again, that rose gold foil is just lovely, and these are going to be stickers that are kind of in the theme of the box, which is more geometric. And you can use these for calendars, for note taking, just to decorate if you're not sure how to use the items in here. I think they're super beautiful, and they're made out of washi, so they're going to be clear. Let's see. And then finally, we have these coloring sheets, which this is very cool. Coloring is, I know it's one good way to relax and kind of take your mind off of anxiety. When I'm having trouble with anxiety, I will often color, or I'll kind of repeat the same kind of patterns that I have. So these are some coloring sheets which you can use. Some people love it, some people don't love it. If you're not a fan, you can always, you know, give these away. But I think they're so beautiful. Okay, and the last thing that I can't wait to show you is we have come out with a new product, and subscription box subscribers are going to be the first ones to get this, to try it out. These are going to be our dual-sided brush pens, and they are water-based ink, and they are unlike anything we've seen out there, that I've seen out there. So you're going to have brush lettering where you can practice if you want to learn a few alphabets. But let me introduce you to the Calliograph pens. We've got them in the color scheme of the box, but they'll be coming out in fall in a couple different color schemes. Okay, what's really cool about these pens is we have the regular brush tip side, and then we have a side that is, oop, can you see it? There we go. It's also a brush tip side, it's just smaller. And I would say it's similar to like the Food No Suke tip. It's really hard, I don't know why it won't. There we go. And we worked so hard on making sure these tips are the best out there. They're ones that aren't going to fray. These are really high quality. The ink is incredibly high quality. When you put it down on the paper, it's not going to go anywhere. However, you can still blend with these, and you can still use them like watercolor. So I'm really excited to introduce these. And then one fun thing we did with these pens, and this is just with the ones in the box, is the ink, it's going to be a ink color and then the shadow color. So you have the ink color, and then the other side is going to be a little bit darker. And that's so you can create some really fun shadowing effects, and that way you have more colors to choose from as well. So I'm really excited to bring those out. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on these. I truly love them, and we are going to have more colors launching in fall with the fall collection, but I just wanted to share these with the subscribers first because I'm really excited, and we've spent about seriously 1.5 years developing the ink and the tips. Okay, well, I hope you love the subscription box, and I can't wait to see what you create. As always, please tag me so I can scroll through that Instagram gallery and take a look.